Hello and welcome back. Apparently I'm having camera problems. I just opened this up and my camera just stopped recording. But we are going to look at this padlock. It is a US General, pretty heavy duty lock. The key does work, which I already just checked out. It has a Phillips head screwdriverable, removable core, so that's good. Key out. It's a heavy duty lock. It looks like a copy of the American 700. Says it's hardened steel. To give you guys a size reference, this is what a Master Lock number 3 looks like. It's probably almost twice the size, almost 3 times the size of a little Master Lock. Let's see what the insides of this thing give us. See if it's a fun little pick or not. Like I said, I just opened it up. I was going to try to open it up on camera, but the camera stopped recording on me. So let's open this up, put it in the vise, and see what it has to offer. So make sure it's in the vise and yeah, it does work. All right. Let's see. I normally go top of the keyway with these style locks. Get some, wow, heavy tension on this to get that to go. Do you not like that end? Let's go with this end. Yeah, to overcome that spring tension, it's got some pretty heavy spring tension there. Let's try this. Give me some heavy tension going there to try to overcome that spring. There's a small click on, felt like 3. I think it's a 5-penner. A little bit of binding on that one. There we go. Let's see here. Where's my feedback at? Getting any feedback yet? Oh, there we go. There's a small click out of 4. 5. That one's binding. There we go. That was 2. A small click out of 4. Small click out of 1. And feedback on, feels like 4 again. Maybe that's 3. Nope, that was 3. Let's go up and check all these. Always got to check 1. It's right there behind my tension wrench. And it's open. All right, that wasn't too bad. Nice little pick. Let's see if we can take this thing out. See what it looks like. Got this. See what it looks like. Phillips. All right. Loctite, I think. Okay. Loctite on it. All right. Come out. It's in there. There we go. All right. And it is picked. Oh, it's locked it back up, but I do have a key. So. There's no retaining screw on the back, but something is binding it up. Well, you would think with a removable core that I would be able to get that open, but it's something's keeping it from going. See something here. I have no idea how to get this one out. So, I guess that's the end of the video. But, not a bad little lock. Felt like it had some spools in it. At least one. and it was a little crunchy, so it might have had some serrated pins in it. But either way, pretty cool little lock, or big lock actually. U.S. General. So picked open for you guys. Thank you for your time, and don't break the law.